Alright, so going forward one more time. Just need to give the parent function, the inverse of the parent function, t-chart for the inverse, t-chart for the function, asymptote for the parent function, and transformations. Sounds like a lot, but it should go honestly pretty quick, to be real with you. So let's just get started. Again, the parent function is when I ignore any addition, any subtraction, any multiplication, no matter where it's at. So parent function should just be y is equal to log base 3 of x. The inverse of that parent function is just going to be y equals 3 to the x. T-chart for the inverse should just be, usually I use -1 to +1 at the very least, which should just be 1/3, 1, and 3 at this point. And then t-chart for the function then is just going to be swapping those x's and those y's. Honestly, I might go to 2 on this one, give 9 x and y, so then I'd have 1/3, -1, 1, 0, 3, 1, and then 9, 2. The asymptote of the parent function should just be x is equal to 0, as always. And then the transformations are going to be left 1 and multiply your y's times 2. AKA vertical stretch. Of 2. Alright, because in Precal they will want vertical stretch. Alright. Other than that, my domain, I just moved my entire function left 1, which means that my entire graph got shifted 1, including that asymptote. And since that asymptote is basically where that function starts, I moved it left, so that would be at -1 now. So I know that my x's have to be greater than -1. So then I would have the set of all x's such that x is greater than -1. Alright, and like I said, I don't use set builder all that much, so I usually use from -1 to +infinity. Alright, and then my ranges in this case would be all real numbers, aka -infinity to +infinity. Alright, from here I have my asymptote at -1. And then from here, I just use my t-chart on my functions and my transformations. So taking that 1/3 back 1 should put me at -2/3. And then multiplying my y's by -2, -1 times 2 should give me -2. So -2/3, -2. Alright. I think. Alright, taking that 1, 0, shifting my x left 1 should put me at 0. Multiplying that y by 2 shouldn't do jack diddly because my y was 0. 0 times anything just kind of gets absorbed. Taking 3, 1, shifting it left 1 should put me at 2, 1. And then multiplying that y by 2 should put me at 2, 2. And then finally, shifting my 9, 2 back 1 should put me at 8, 2, and then multiplying my y's by 2 should put me at 8, 4. Other than that, connect your dots. And you're done.